Want to easily send and receive money with friends using Revolut 18? Adding your friends on Revolut streamlines payments and makes splitting bills a breeze. In this guide, I'll show you how to add friends on Revolut 18. To add friends, open the Revolut app and ensure you're logged into the Revolut 18 profile. Navigate to the Payments or Send section. You'll usually see an option to send money or add new recipient. If your friend is already a Revolut user, you can typically find them by searching their phone number, if it's linked to their Revolut account, or their Revolut username. You might also be able to invite them if they're not yet on Revolut. Finally, once you've found or invited your friend, they'll appear in your Revolut contacts, making it simple to send or request money from them directly within the app. And there you have it. Adding friends on Revolut 18 makes sending money easy. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.